This is more than just a lock. It's the start of guarding your home. Hey, as a family member, my job is to protect everyone. But with the Lockin Veno Plus Video Smart, everything has changed.
No, your little paws won't work here.
Why not?
It scans the veins in your palm, unique to every individual.
Even with all its smarts, I'm still the MVP of this house. Locked out again? Oh well.
Alexa, open the door.
Oh wow, you can do that? Someone's at the door. Relax. The Veno Plus on it.
Put it at the door, please.
Motion detected? Smart alert? Who says locks can't have brains?
Who is there?
Hey, thief, you've been caught.
Whatever the method, coming home is always easy. With this lock, I can finally worry less and relax more. Lockin Veno Plus. Video Smart Lock. Unlock family moments with your palm.